What is up guys, how are y'all doing? This is one of more price action setup that's happening in front of me. You can see it's a clear sign of momentum trade where we can take one more shot here, and I was not expecting much more here. It will be 30 pip trade, okay, with 30 pip stop loss, okay, because I don't want to be too greedy. Today I've already made a big profit, and then what I'm looking for is that I believe that market will go down from this level and it will start its downward momentum. Okay, so let me get this. So what I am seeing as a price action trader is that price will react to this level. Okay, maybe it will get back up again and start its upward momentum, but what I think will happen is that it will definitely come to this level, and if it have enough power, or if it will gather enough strength, then it will start to change its direction from here. But I believe that it will retrace it is this area, this supply area. Or what also can happen is that we can see a huge momentum in upcoming days where price will make a new lower lows and lower highs with a clear downtrend. Okay, so what we expecting here is that if it will break this area, okay, this supply chain, if this break it, okay, then it will be a momentum trade where we see a strong intensity in downward direction. So I will update you once this trade hit my profit target or stop loss, and let's see what happened. Here you can see guys, it won't take long. Just one candle hit my within just one candle hit my profit target. I made it around $3,000 with this trade. It's a 30 pip profit trade. Okay, I'm not a greedy person, and I'm not looking for 200 or 300 pips trade, but I'm looking for 30 pip trade, and it's gave me sufficient that I needed. It's a intensive move, and you can see just one big red candle. It tells you how to trade price action. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, goodbye.